I think that there's a little bit of Star Wars for everybody. Welcome to Anna Mondays. I'm your host, Joe. Please like and subscribe. Today's recommendation is Star Wars Vision Season 1. Star Wars Vision Season 1 originally debuted on Disney Plus in 2021 and has continued on for 2 more seasons. Each episode is created by a different studio or production house, with the through line being that all the stories are inspired by Star Wars and the Star Wars universe. Star Wars Visions is an anthology of short stories from different studios such as Trigger or Science Saru. My favorite of the 9 episodes is called The Duel and presented by Kamikaze Duza. You might recognize Kamikaze Duza from other titles such as Batman Ninja. This particular piece is in black and white in a very distinct sketch style. It seems to take place during what is similar to feudal Japan. What happens next are some fantastic lightsaber duels as you follow a man and his droid through this town and the adventures that they run into.
So you're a Jedi. It's been a long time since I killed a Jedi. Your lightsaber blade is red! Coward!
Unfortunately, I am not a Jedi.
Why do I like Star Wars Vision so much? Well, number one, I'm a big Star Wars fan, so already there. And I'm a big anime fan, so this is the marriage of some of my favorite things all together. And it's so wonderful to see all these different interpretations from these different artists and creators. I think that there's a little bit of Star Wars for everybody in this. And so if you already weren't a Star Wars fan or didn't really think Star Wars was for you, maybe this option can get you into the universe a little bit more. Leave a comment below and let me know if Star Wars Vision sounds interesting to you. My name is Joe, and I'll see you next time on Anna Mondays.